Second question of this paper is of factor and remainder theorem. Find the quotient and remainder when 2x4 minus 27 is divided by x square plus x plus 3. When 2x4 minus 27 is divided by x square plus x plus 3, find quotient and remainder. We will use here long division method. First we are writing this quadratic expression 2x4 minus 24. Here the missing terms are x cube, missing term is x cube, x square, and x terms are missing. So we will write it as uh, 2x4 plus 0x cube because it was missing plus 0x square plus 0x minus 27. This sign is for long division. We write here the divisor, that is x square plus x plus 3. We write here x square plus x plus 3. Now first we will multiply the first term of the divisor with any term to make to have 2x4. So we multiply x square by 2x square, we get 2x4. We write here 2x square. When we multiply this 2x square by x square, we get 2x4. So this is 2x4. Next also we will multiply 2x square by x. This become uh, this will be 2x cube. So we write here 2x cube. Next we multiply 2x square by 3. This is 6x square. Writing here. Now subtracting. We sign change. Cancel out. Adding the remaining. We get minus 2x cube minus 6x square minus 27 uh, plus 0x. This 0x will come down. Minus 27 will come down. Plus 0x minus 27. Now again same process will be repeated. X square will be multiplied by minus 2x. So we may have minus 2x cube. Minus 2x multiplied by first term of the divisor, that is x square, we get minus 2x cube. So we are writing here minus 2x cube. Now minus 2x will be multiplied by x. This becomes minus 2x square minus 2x will be multiplied by 3, that is minus 6x. Sign change because we have to subtract. Cancel out. Adding the remaining. We get minus 4x square plus 6x minus 27. Again the same process will be repeated. We multiply x square by minus 4 to have minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Now we multiply minus 4 by x, this is minus 4x. Next is minus 12. Again sign change. Cancel out. Adding the remaining terms, we get 10x minus 15, which is the remainder. Now, this is remainder and this is quotient. So we write here quotient is 2x square minus 2x minus 4 and remainder is 10x minus 15. This is the answer.